Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make bacon crumble. Start by selecting your favorite bacon, whether it's a hearty thick cut or a classic regular slice. For the best crumbles, lay the strips flat on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper or arrange them in a cold skillet. This ensures even cooking and prevents sticking. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or prepare your stovetop for medium heat. You have two excellent options for cooking your bacon. If using the oven, bake for about 15 to 20 minutes or until it's perfectly crisp and golden brown. For stovetop cooking, place the bacon in a cold skillet and cook over medium heat, turning the strips often. Once cooked, carefully remove the bacon and drain off any excess grease. After cooking, let your bacon cool for a few minutes on a paper towel-lined plate. This helps absorb any remaining grease and allows it to crisp up further. Once it's cool enough to handle, you can easily crumble it by hand into small, bite-sized pieces. For a finer crumble, you might prefer to chop it with a knife or even give it a quick pulse in a food processor. To keep your delicious bacon crumbles fresh, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. If you've made a larger batch, they can be frozen in a sealed bag for up to 1 month, ready to use whenever you need them. These versatile crumbles are perfect for adding a savory crunch to salads, baked potatoes, soups, or even scrambled eggs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.